just real humans. The type of people who you spend the night around a campfire with at a festival. Or even just, wow, being out and about in nature and camping yourself. The people who you would either choose to spend those sacred times with, or people who the universe pairs you up with. So that got me daydreaming just about sitting around a campfire with amazing people. I met so many different people in my imagination while daydreaming, watching the river go by, watching the trees sway like they're dancing to some... The antenna that is this area in particularly basically channeled sort of like how you can live lifetimes in a DMT trip. I was just daydreaming and meeting different lives, different people. And in like, let's say, in about 5 or so minutes. So then I start imagining sitting around a campfire with certain politicians, certain famous people who you could just, like, who you not only would never expect to find in that setting, but, or encounter in that setting, but how do you say this? It's as though they are running on a different operating system, like as though they are just not compatible with that program experience that is a psychedelic, sacred, loving, beautiful campfire. Something that is so blessed and protected, with only good people around. No weirdos lurking in the shadows doing the devil knows what. The type where there is not another human soul for not only miles away, but hours away. That feeling where that nobody from this realm is going to show up until days from now. We have days protected. Then I start thinking about how crazy it would be to see the president or a prime minister or a celebrity who you imagine seeing certain politicians sitting around a festival fire in the after hours when people are drumming quietly and reciting poetry and seeing things. I could just go create that video. I could make that video reel that you could watch with some AI video software, generate it, and you could just, hopefully, I would choose the best one. So it would be very, very realistic of the president sitting around a campfire at a festival, or just around a campfire, with the men on a hunting trip. There's so many variations of the best things in this world. Instead of using AI, instead of using both my own energy and resources and time, as well as the world, universe's energy, resources, and time to make a fake video, anything that I can imagine, I can use words. Language is the most advanced technology. And instead of using AI to make a video or an image of something that just doesn't quote unquote exist, in this world. Oh, bird. Oh, this is so cool. It's raining. Birds, instead of using AI to make something that doesn't already, quote unquote, exist in this world. Before AI, we used language, words, even images, sigils, to tell stories, to write and speak poetry. Anyway, yeah, fuck AI videos. Write poems, tell stories, or write poems, write stories, draw, paint, make art, meditate on powerful, real sigils that you charge with your spirit, your chi, your... Connect with people in real life. Read those poems out loud. Tell those stories around campfires. Skip the small talk. Find the angels walking by you on the streets. Oh my gosh. It's raining so hard now. I hope this I need a little umbrella for the phone. I guess we have to stop this because it's still recording. It's still recording. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! Girl, look at that. Girl. Oh my god. That's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this light breaking through. Babe. Oh my goodness. You have to go back out in it. Oh, I'm sorry. Little iPhone. Look at this. What? Because I'm pretty sure that more water is coming. Ah! Ah! Oh my goodness. Look at this. Phone, please don't die.